So if I had 1,000 naira every time someone asked me, Femi, how do you make money as an artist in Nigeria? I would have been the Adenugas or the Dangote in Nigeria. Trust me, because it's a question that constantly keep coming. Like I don't know why people just feel the need to ask, but is it not wild how those same people don't get to question chefs, athletes, engineers about making money? Like they just assume there's a way, they will just make the money. But when it comes to art, they are suddenly confused. They're like shocked, like, how can somebody be making money with art? Anyways, that's what we're here to talk about. My name is Femi the Artmazing African, Africa's number one finest fine artist. I'm a visual artist and a public art enthusiast based in Abuja, Nigeria. I talk about art. I talk about how, artists can actually become better in their art practices and how they can make money being an artist in Nigeria and how to be a global artist. So if that's the thing for you and that's what you're interested, welcome fam. Welcome to the space that that's home. That's going to be home for you. So yeah, without wasting so much time, let's dive right into the topic for today. Art and making money from art. Trust me, art is the next big currency. Art is more than just painting. Art is the next gold mine. Art is really just not a side hustle, and I'm here to tell you how you can turn your creativity into cash. So yeah, all right now, so let's talk. So after I was done with art school and I decided that art was what I was going to do full time. Or more, the questions just like coming left, right, and center. How are you going to, sustain yourself as an artist? How are you going to make money from this? The questions just never stopped coming, like even till today, till tomorrow. People will still always ask that question. And it's just funny that moment you just say I'm an artist, people just assume you're playing around. But now let's flip it here. When a footballer says he plays for a club, for example Manchester, Chelsea, or any of those Italian side, do they ask, how do you make money running around the pitch? No, because they get it. Football is a business, but art, we're still seen as dreamers in quotes. I used to struggle with that too. And I kept creating and hoping somebody somewhere would just discover me. I always thought that if this art is good enough, the money will just come. But then reality will hit you. Bills don't care whether you have passion, bills don't care whether you're talented, bills don't care what you're doing. And that was just the wake up call I needed as an artist. So I just had to start treating this art as a hobby and start treating it like it was a business. And that was just where everything changed. And so one of the first times here that it really clicked for me was when I started working with Jägermeister. I now realized that it wasn't just all about creating some cool visuals. Yeah, it was all about tapping into the brand essence, connecting with Jägermeister audience, and making art that resonated with the vibe, resonated with the culture, and resonated with the Jägermeister community. And that was when I just realized people will always pay for art that solves a problem or tells a compelling story. Trust me, people are there who are willing to pay, but you just need to make sure you're willing to solve a problem that the brand is having or tell a story that is going to move their audience, that will also in turn generate cash flow for them, because that's the whole essence. They're going to pay you, but in other words, you're going to give them something that's going to give them more value for what they're giving you. And that was just what shifted my entire approach in handling art. Now when I create here, I'm not just painting for painting's sake. I'm thinking here, how does this piece connect with the bigger picture? What message am I sending to the viewer? Who needs to see this? And that was just how Artmazing communities, that's the community arm of the studio, came about, because I was constantly asking myself these questions. And Artmazing community just became more than just another art event. Yeah, it became a platform, a statement, a movement. So if you want to stop treating your art like it's a hobby, you just have to start asking yourself, what value are you bringing? Who needs what you're creating? And how can you position your work so that it's not just seen but felt? And that's how you go from being a hobbyist, to making art for business. So yeah, if you're ready to turn your art into cash flow, just drop a comment in the comment section. Let's talk strategy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we're not just creating, we're cashing out and we're making money being artists in Nigeria. So yeah, if you really love this topic and you actually want us to talk about another topic, just leave it in the comment section, and who knows, your topic might just be the next topic we're talking about right here. So yeah, see you guys in the next, and keep making amazing pieces and keep pushing our art, because that's all you have as artists. And see you guys in the next, and peace out.